Mabuhay ang ating bayan, ang pinakamamahal nating lungsod ng Pasig. God bless Pasig. Sana all. Anong pangalan ko? Anong Warren Encenso? Ano uli? Anong Warren Tosino? Pero ang totoo po ay Warren Inocencio. To find myself in the company of such dedicated public servants, today I am honored to be seated among men and women who have long been steward of our community progress. To our valued Mayor Vico Soto, whose leadership and commitment to good governance have set a model of excellence, not only in Pasig, but across the nation. To Congressman Roman Romulo, a champion of education and a tireless advocate for the youth, and of course to our presiding officer, Vice Mayor Dodot Jaworski, not only a man of integrity and service, but undeniably the most handsome. And we'll put together gentlemen in the room. Thank you for your leadership, and of course to the members of this respected council. Thank you not only for your guidance, but also for the respect and generosity you've shown me as a newcomer. Isang espesyal na pasasalamat sa aking inaanak na si Konsehal Maro na siyang naging tulay sa akin. Papunta kay Mayor Vico. Kay Konsi Angelo, taos puso po ang aking pasasalamat sa inyo sa pagtindig at pagsuporta sa aking paglalakbay. Kay Konsi Volta, maraming salamat sa pag-akay mo sa akin. Mula simula pa, tunay kong na-appreciate po yun. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa gabay, tiwala at suporta ninyo sa bawat hakbang ng landas na ito. Maraming salamat, Konsi Boy, sa pagiging totoo at tunay na kaibigan. Kay Konsi Boboy, aaminin ko, inaakala kong suplado ka nung una, pero sa kahuli-hulian, kasundo pala kita. Para sa aking partner na si Ryan Enriquez, hindi na tayo iiyak at wala na ring tatalon sa tulay. Kay Konsi Pao, ang ating batang konsehal, na may magalang na puso. Kay Konsi Kiko, salamat sa iyong mainit na pagtanggap sa akin. Kay Konsi Eric, sa palagiang pag-welcome sa akin ng bukas palad. Kay Konsi Paul, ang masipag at tapat nating konsehal. At siyempre kay Konsi Simon, salamat sa iyong pagiging totoong tao at talino na hindi kailanman naging hadlang sa pagiging simple. Napakadaling lapitan at higit sa lahat tunay na may malasakit. Taos puso ang pasasalamat ko sa inyong lahat. Your mentorship has meant more than words can say. You have shown me the ropes, not with arrogance, but with encouragement. And I am honored to learn from your experience. I stand before you today, not just with the excitement of someone new to the role, but with a deep sense of responsibility. The trust our constituents have placed in us is sacred. It is not just a vote. They have handed us their hopes, their struggles, and their dreams. As your newly elected councilor, I commit myself to crafting legislation that is not only sound but impactful, laws that go beyond words and truly uplift the lives of the people we serve. I invite each and every one of us to join me in this mission. Let us be bold, let us be united, and let us never lose sight of the very reason we are here is the people. Let us work together to bring food, and not only tocino, in the homes of our constituents. Not through temporary solutions, but through sustainable and gainful livelihood programs. Let us create opportunities that give dignity to work, empower families to stand tall on their own. Let us fortify our disaster preparedness program. Climate change and calamities are no longer distant possibilities. They are urgent realities. Our people deserve safety, security, and a council that acts with foresight. And let us not forget those who have paved the way, our veterans and our retirees public office. They dedicated the best years of their lives to public service, often without recognition or adequate support. It is time we give back to them with programs that ensure their welfare, provide for their medical and daily needs, and allow them to age with dignity. Let us honor their legacy by ensuring that their sacrifices are not forgotten. Colleagues, this is our shared responsibility. Let us use our seats not as a position of power, but as platforms of service. Let us speak less of politics and more of people. Let our legacy be measured not by the numbers of sessions we attend, but by the lives we touch. Again, thank you for welcoming me into this body. I look forward working with all of you, seasoned and new alike, as one council, united by one goal, to serve with integrity, compassion, and resolve. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang ating bayan, ang pinakamamahal nating lungsod ng Pasig. God bless Pasig. Sana all.